Hello everyone, this is Achit Sabani from KMIT second year CSE department. I'm here to present my third milestone of the project Gen AI powered virtual agent. The main motto of this project is to revolutionize the customer care services with the advanced technologies using virtual agents that works on the basis of large language models. The major applications of this project are to provide the interactive voice-to-voice response services through AI-powered models, and also to reduce the resolving time for customer issues, and also to provide the round-the-clock services without any waiting. Heading forward, the main components of this project are the MERN stack, which is a constitute of MongoDB, Express, React, and Node, the transcribers, for converting the text to speech and speech to text. We are using Whisper AI powered by the OpenAI for transcribing text into the speech. Also, we are using the Web Speech API, a library of JavaScript for converting speech into text. Coming to the major parts of the project, they are WebRTC and large language modules. WebRTC for the real-time communication between peer-to-peer over the browsers, whereas the large language model will be giving the response for the query that is provided by the user. We use the LLM model Llama 3, which is of 8 billion tokens instruct model. The process used to train our model is retrieval augmented generation. Apart from these main components, we also have some miscellaneous things. They are the socket IO and fast API. Socket IO in the case of WebRTC for signaling purpose and fast API for communication between the front end and back end. Coming to the architecture of our project, we have many layers, presentation layer or the user interface at the top and all other layers at the abstraction level. So user can be only interacting with the user interface or the presentation layer, whereas all the layers works behind. There are the processing layer, response layer, communication layer, and the data layer. The processing layer and the response layer plays a crucial role in our project, where the conversions of text, the speech, and the generation of the response for the query, as well as conversion of the text to the speech, will be done here. The communication between the peer to the admin and admin to the peer will be done over the WebRTC data layer. The details of the user will be stored in the MongoDB. The products they purchase or the queries they have about their purchases previously will be fetched from the MongoDB, whereas the ChromaDB is for the storing the vectors related to the RAG process. The workflow of the project. Whenever the user have any concerns to be resolved with the customer care service, he will be reaching to the customer care service page where there is an option to speak with the virtual agent. When he initiates a call from that page, he would be able to give his commands through his voice, which will be transferred using a WebRTC to the speech to text transcriber, and that will be converted into a text. And the query will be fed to the LLM model. It will produce a response, and the response will be further turned into a speech using the text to speech converter, and the converted speech will be propagated back to the user as a voice. So the user will experience a complete cycle of voice to voice interaction with the virtual agent. Heading forward, we will be looking the demonstration of our project.
Here is our MERN application, which is being run at the localhost 3000, and it shows up a sign up page where the user can fill in his details and register to use our services. The sign up page requires name, email, email in the correct format, and a password. And the user can register as a admin or a normal customer. For this, if user wants to register as an admin, he has to check this box and tries to register. As he wants to register as an admin, the application asks for a secret admin key in order to proceed with admin registration. If we enter any random admin key, it will say the admin key is incorrect, you cannot sign up as admin. So as logging in or signing in as admin will expose all the details. So there is a level of security or authentication not to sign up as a admin. Whereas when you give the correct admin key, the registration is successfully taken place. Your details will be stored in the database as a true admin. And after successful registration, you will be directly redirected to the home page of our application. If the user already exists, he can log in to his account to use the services. The login page takes out two details. The email, the email should be registered in order to access our services. Let's check with the wrong one. Email does not exist. I directly say there is no such email in the database. So the user won't exist. Now giving the correct email and checking. Login successful. This will also redirect us to the home page. The application is a e-commerce platform called Shoppies, and a customer care service will be provided to this platform over the with the virtual agent. The home page consists of a carousel that shows the offers of the and various categories of products that the user can purchase here. The stationery, fashion, electronics. Let's go with one of the category, mobile phones. And it shows up four different kinds of mobile phones here with the image, description, and the price of respective products. And also has a buy now button. It asks, do you want to proceed? Okay, proceeding your order. The further development will also work on placing an order. But of now, the project is up to providing the customer care service. So the successful orders placed will be displayed over here. Apart from this, the main part of this application, the customer care service, we will be having a virtual agent providing the real-time customer care service and tracking our orders, returns and refund policies here. So let's try with the virtual agent. This page shows voice chat with virtual agent. Here, this is the place where we can directly speak with the LLM model over the voice and get a response in the voice. So whenever the user starts a call, his media will be captured. The media from the microphone will be captured and will be processed and given out the output from the speaker out. So let's try. When the start call button is clicked, the timer starts and it will listen to the user input. The listening will be with the user microphone which is being accessed here. So after giving a successful input and let us try speaking with the virtual agent.
Hello. Welcome to the Shoppies customer service. This is virtual agent Simon. I would be glad serving you. Let me know how can I help you. Hello.
May I know the written policy details of your website?
Hello there. I'll be happy to assist you. Our return policy allows you to return items within 30 days of delivery. Mandatorily, the original product packaging along with the accessories must be returned. Pickup for the respective will be initiated within 3 days of request. Feel free to ask more queries.
Thank you. This is how the conversation will be with the virtual agent. And the about us will tells about or describes about the team which we worked on this application. Thank you.